What is up? Welcome to the channel. Everybody, we got the brute force again. And what we got going on today? Well, some wheels and tires showed up in the mail. And lots of folks asking, when am I gonna do another mod? When am I gonna get some wheels and tires? When am I gonna get some grips? Well, guess what? We got them. I ordered them already mounted, so I don't have to mess with any tire shops. Nothing against tire shops, but I don't have much time. Still got a normal job. I come shoot these videos on breaks, on a little quick time off. So thanks for all y'all watching and subscribing. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. So next video, what we got here, after this one, we're gonna actually mount it, test it out, and ride it. But for now, I just wanna show you what's coming. Take a look, a little quick peek at the style of wheel I got going here. And I tried to keep everything practical as far as cost goes, so we'll get into that too. But just for now, check out the wheel, nice little design. And we've got some grip. Look at these lugs. These dudes are tall compared to the original slicks. And this is a size up. So the front tire, I went a size up, 26-inch tire versus the 25. So 25 by 8 by 12 is the OEM size for the front. And right here we got 26 by 9 by 12. So we went up a size up and a little bit wider. Same for the back. The backs are going to be 26, 11, 12 to replace these slicks that are 25, 10, 12. All right, well, there we go. So be ready, be on the lookout. Another video coming. We're gonna mount these up, ride it around, test it out, see if it's worth it, see if it rides rough, smooth, goes through anything, you know, all that good stuff. Hit some comments, let me know what you think. Any questions, any tests you wanna do with it. And we've got it all. I was really picky on buying these for the weight, for the size, for the ride. So cool stuff coming. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. See you next time.